Hello my dear students, wishing you a very happy new year. Today I am going to discuss about the term 2 projects. So let's start. So at first you have to cover your project file neatly in this way, and on the top you have to write your school name, then you have to put your credentials here. Mention the session and the project assignment word on the top of your project copy. Now first you have to write term 2 project assignment in a single page. Then on the next page you have to write the acknowledgement. So acknowledgement which has been written here, you have to copy that thing, and then you have to put the date, name, class, section and the row. In the third page you have to write the index. In the index you have to make 6 columns. First column is serial number, then date, subject, topic, page number and the teacher's signature. Put the serial number accordingly and then mention the subject in the given way which has been mentioned in this particular file. That means first will be the English, then Bengali, Hindi, mathematics, science, social science, computer, GK, Sanskrit, and at last you have to write the bibliography. So first I am going to discuss about the subject English. Recently you have met your cousin brother who lives in one of the metropolitan cities in Delhi. He has discussed with you about the changing trend in his friend's activity who also lives in Delhi. Write an article about the changing trend in children's activity on the right side and draw or paste relevant pictures on the left side of your project copy. So you have to write an article about the given topic and then you have to draw or paste some pictures upon them. Next is the subject Bengali. সঞ্জীব চন্দ্র চট্টোপাধ্যায় রচিত পালামৌ ভ্রমণ পাঠ্যাংশে তোমরা পালামৌ অঞ্চলের অপূর্ব প্রাকৃতিক সৌন্দর্যের কথা পড়েছো। তোমার দেখা বা ভ্রমণ করা যে কোনো একটি অঞ্চলের অভিজ্ঞতা সম্বন্ধে 100 থেকে 120টি শব্দের মধ্যে অনুচ্ছেদ আকার লেখো এবং তার একটি ছবি খাতার বাঁ দিকে আঁকো বা আটকাও। So here also you have to write an article about the given topic and you have to paste or draw a picture on the left side of your copy. Then the subject Hindi. परियोजना कार्य। समय पाठ के माध्यम से कवि ने विभिन्न उदाहरणों के द्वारा समय के महत्व को दर्शाया है। समय के महत्व के ध्यान में रखते हुए लगभग 100 शब्दों में एक अनुच्छेद लिखिए तथा विषय से संबंधित चित्र लगाए. So here also you have to write an article about the given topic and then you have to paste a picture or draw one. Next is the subject mathematics. The following data shows total population of 5 municipalities under Shirampur subdivision in the year 2011. So the municipality which has been given is Shirampur, Uttarpara Kotrang, Konnagar, Rishra, Dankuni and Boidubati. The population has been given here, imaginary population numbers have been given. You have to represent the above data by a pie chart. So for your ease of work, the procedure has been mentioned in this particular file. So you have to go through the given data and the calculation portion is also been shown. Just do that thing and then you have to draw the pie chart as shown here. Color the pie chart as shown. Next is the subject science. The topic of this particular subject is defect of vision. Nowadays, eye defect and vision problems are very common. Discuss about short-sightedness and long-sightedness and draw ray diagrams to show how the image formation takes place. Also discuss how ophthalmologists correct these errors by different lenses with diagram. So here you have to mention the different problems which has been mentioned in this particular topic and then you have to draw the diagram and the correction diagram for particular problem. Next is the subject social science. Study the given graph carefully and answer the following questions on the basis of this graph. Women in national parliament in different regions of the world in percentage. So here one bar diagram has been shown about 5 different countries, that is America, Europe, Nordic countries, Asia and Arab states. Then a particular data has been given. According to that data you have to analyze it and then you have to answer this following question. Which country have the highest representation of the women in national parliaments? Which countries have the lowest representation of the women in the national parliament? What percentage of the women members are working in the Asian countries' parliaments? And what is the average for the women representation in the parliament? Next, you are coming to the subject computer. Describe briefly types of networks and discuss how 2 or 3 systems can be connected by networking. Draw or paste relevant pictures on the left side of your project file. Next is the subject general knowledge. Compare the economy of West Bengal and Ladakh on the right side of your project copy and draw or paste relevant pictures on the left side of your project copy. Next is the subject Sanskrit. Here a picture has been given. You have to observe the picture, then you have to solve the question which has been given below. Here some incomplete sentences are given there. You have to complete the sentence by putting the words which has been mentioned on the top of the picture. At the end of your project copy, you have to write the bibliography, where you have to mention from which site you have taken the help to complete your project or the books which you have read to complete your project. So this is all about your project discussion. I hope you have understood it well. Submission date for your projects will be notified later. Thank you.